Okay, recording. Okay. So unit 7. Let's start.
Do we write the leading coefficient?
Right, we're gonna talk about leading coefficient, but hang in there. Just keep it there. So again, if you go to the calculus next year, they're all about polynomial. We already learned how to solve the polynomial, right? We're gonna learn more, but today we're gonna do some analyze about a graph. Okay. After this lesson today, you will know. For example, if I give you something like this, that should be 3. Okay. You will know what the graph look like. Okay. After this today lesson, you will know. Like for example, this is gonna be something like this. You will know which one it's going to be like this.
Yeah.
You will know after these lessons. Okay, that's what we're gonna learn. Okay. It's actually very easy. All right. Ready? So that's the object we're gonna learn. These two. Can someone tell me if you see any pattern?
The blue ones had arrows pointing in opposite directions and the green ones have.
Very good. Very good. Go on for training. Did I give you the paper? Did I give someone a paper? Oh, Natalie. Oh, yeah. Wait, where's the? All right. Did someone eat it?
Yeah, I ate.
So. All right. So as Karin said, this one go different direction, and this one go same direction. Okay. Let me give you the name. So you have the graph already. This is the name. This is y equal to x. This is y equal to what? Remember. X squared. Very good. Give Valerie 1 point. Quadratic. Remember? You learned last semester. Why is this? Oh, yeah, I expect you to know this. Okay. Something like this. You don't need to know what the rest, but you know that the highest power is 3. The degree is 3. Okay. And this one. Now I'm gonna let you guess. Okay. Do you remember when I told you about how many curves we have? We can say, did I tell you this period? I never told you. Never mind. Okay. Depend on how many curves you have. Let's say how many curves you have here?
1.
2. It sounds very confident though. And 2. Yeah. And then the degree is 3. Don't worry. We learn it. Yeah. How many curves we have? 1. And the power is 2. So what do you guess? 4. Okay. How many curves? 1, 2, 3. The degree going to be 4. So 1 up. Okay. So it's going to be x4. There's some more term on more term, but we don't need to worry about it. Just worry about what is it? This is the highest power, the degree. Okay. How about this? Y equal to
Minus x.
oh minus. How do you know it's minus?
Because the way of the graph is going down.
Good, very good observation. Let's see David 1 point. So minus actual power what?
4.
4 or 5?
5.
Make up your mind. 5 or 4? 5. How many turn? 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be 5. Okay. And then some other term as well, but we don't need to worry about it. Okay. Last one. Melanie, negative. X to the power 6. Very good. 1 point for Melanie. Okay. So now combine with the Clarion observation. What can you tell about? I'll let you figure out. Did you see the similarity between the green one and the blue one? The blue one always odd, and the green one is even. So what is the conclusion?
That,
Give me one sentence conclusion, David.
that when the arrows are opposing when they're facing the opposite way are even, and when the arrows are pointing the same way, it's
Oh, think
No,
about it,
okay.
think about it.
No,
Do it,
you-
do it again, do it again.
Okay,
I don't
okay,
want you to
okay.
do it again. Look at this and do it again.
Okay, my bad. When the arrows are pointing the opposite way, it's odd, and when the arrows are pointing the same way, it's even.
Exactly. Yeah, give 1 point for David. Yeah.
Sorry.
All right. So where it is odd like this,
I'm scared.
where it's odd like this is different direction. Okay. So both ends go to different directions. Opposite. Opposite direction. Yeah. Opposite direction. And when is it even? Same direction. Very good. Now, last thing. Before I'm going to point out which one you should look in at, do you see any other thing that we should be aware of? Any other pattern? Actually, David also saw that before, but let's see if anyone see this. Not that one, but that's good. It's a good note.
Function.
Huh?
Draw function.
Yeah, they all function, but there's one thing that
What was it?
that's different from the rest.
What was it?
Huh? The question is, do you see any other pattern that from the function that different from the rest? Oh, there we go. There we go. That one David just said in negative. So 1 over Kayla. Did you see this one different from the rest? Look at the blue one. This one, why this one different from the rest from these two?
Go down.
Sabrina, eventually it goes down. The right go down, right? Same thing for the green one. You see this is positive, that is negative, eventually. I'm talking about the right hand only. Okay, eventually it goes down. So 1 point for Sabrina too. So here what we're gonna do. How do you know that? You need to look at the highest power. Now, not about leading coefficient. Have we talked about coefficient? And then did we talk about leading coefficient? So what is coefficient? Oh, glad you already done that. The number in front of the letter, right? Now leading coefficient, what is your guess? What is your guess about? Okay, coefficient, then I said it's a number in front of the letter, right? What is leading coefficient? What do you think? Huh? It's still coefficient, yeah, sure.
The number, the leading one, the one that's in front,
The leading power.
the biggest number.
The bigger, okay, that's one. Okay, let's give another 1 point. Yes. Leading coefficient is the coefficient of the highest power. Does it make sense? So you can write coefficient of the highest power term, of the highest power. Like the degree, that's where you find the degree, that is the leading coefficient. Okay. For example, I can make it up. This one maybe 2, -2 or -4. This can be 7, whatever. Let's make it up. Okay. Maybe you can add on a number on the front to make it not like special. So coefficient, leading coefficient is the coefficient of the highest power term. I hope you can read my handwriting now when you get me like 4 months, yeah, 6 months. So that's the next conclusion. When the LC, I'm calling leading coefficient to stand for LC. Let's write LC stand for leading coefficient. So LC, when the LC is even no positive. When it is positive, what happened? Eventually, on the right hand goes
Up.
Up. Okay. Let's talk about the right end. The right end. That's it. That's 2 information that you need to know. That's everything you need to know. So negative goes. Yeah. We're talking about the right end only, okay? So eventually, yeah, eventually. Right, let's do first example. Question going to be describe M behavior. So last year, I think I also gave like step by step, but I think this method should be very easy. So I don't think like we need to step by step, because when you have a step by step, that you kind of rely on it. Like every time you don't see the step by step, then you kind of confused. You kind of panic because there's no step by step. But it's actually very easy. Only one step. I can just summarize into one step. Okay. Yeah. Let me know when you're done, so we can start. Always the first lesson is always the easiest one. Describe the end behavior of the graph of the polynomial function f of x equal to negative 3x4 plus 8x squared plus 5x minus 11. Right end. Yeah, you done? So let's do this. Always this kind of question, do this. This kind of lets you know what you need to do. Okay, LC and degree. Write this one down. Always. You will see how helpful this two line is. Basically, when we done the lesson, you will know that the answer for this kind of question only two lines. That's it. Okay. LC, what is LC again? Leading coefficient. What is the leading coefficient here? -3. Is it negative or positive? Negative. So that's what I need to know. Negative. That's right, negative. Okay. So by writing LC and degree, you know what you need to do next. So that kind of the step by step right there. Just write LC and degree, and you know what you need to know. What you need to do. Degree. What is the degree? 4. Is it even or odd? Even. So that's what you need to know. You don't need to write a specific number, but you need to know it is even. Okay. All right. Let me just erase this so we can. All right. If you look at the graph, okay, you kind of already knew what the graph will look like, but the end point, I'm talking about the two end. Okay. Leading coefficient is negative. What does it mean? Eventually go down. So I know the right end is going to be go down. Yeah, makes sense? Because the LC negative eventually go down. Only the right end. The degree is even. What can I tell about the left end? Even means same direction. So sometimes you can confuse whether odd or even same direction. This is how I think it can help. Odd. The word odd is like something odd, something is off, right? So odd is kind of different direction. Maybe it can help you to memorize it. Then for sure even is same direction. Okay. So even is same direction. So the left end also need to go down. Yeah. So this lesson only worry about the end behavior. We're gonna learn in the middle part on maybe 7C or 7D. But this is only the two ends. Okay. So here how you, this is most important part. On a step by step, this is the most important part. Maybe Alan and Ruby can remember this. This is what you need to always write this. Okay. X goes to, what is this? Infinity. Always write like this. X goes to positive infinity. What is the second line? What is your guess? X go to negative infinity. What does it mean for this? This is what you need to write every time, okay? Every time, it's fixed. What is your answer is you're gonna fill it in the blank right here, okay? Good. So let me explain to you, what is the first line means? The first line mean what? Not squared up, not squared up. What does the first line mean? Who know? X go to positive infinity. What do we looking at? On the graph, what are we looking at?
The X.
That, no.
X, the arrows. X.
Just say it, just say it. I will tell you when you answer right. Again, this is two lines. X go to positive infinity and X go to negative infinity. When you look at the graph, what is these two talking about? What did the X go to positive infinity? Where is this?
It's going to the positive side in the direction.
So what side? What side? The
Right.
the right end. Very good. Just to give Kelly 1 point. We're talking about the right end right here. Okay. This one is right end. Okay, this is the right end. It's right here. And then X go to negative infinity, go talking about the left end. Okay, so this is about the left. So that's what it means. That's what it means. Later on, when you go calculus, they always use this symbol, mathematical symbol. You don't just write word anymore. Right? You go more advanced. Okay. So what your answer is on the right side, where does it go? Negative or positive infinity. On the left side, where does it go? That's what you need to answer. Okay. So on the right side, where does it go? Is it negative infinity or positive infinity? Negative infinity, that is your answer. Okay. So negative infinity. The right end. We're talking about right end, right? Look at the right. Is that go down or go up? Go down. So that's why it's negative infinity. Make sense? And second line is about the left. Is the left going up or going down? Go down. So it's still negative infinity. That's it. That's why I said the answer is two lines. That is your answer. That's it. That's not bad, right? Actually, 100% of the period two they got the answer right on the question for the student. So I think they all got this. Yeah, question.
So you start off with the positive.
Right, you always write in this order because this is about the right, this is about the left. Look at this. This is positive infinity. Positive infinity is about this, right? This way, right? This way is positive. So when we write x go to positive infinity, we talk about this, right? This on the right side of the graph, right? And then this side is a negative number, remember? And when you draw it, this is -1, -2. Let's go on it here, right here. Positive infinity right here and negative infinity right here. Make more sense? Kinda? Like this, you confused about this one or this one? This one?
Like the beginning part.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Or this one? Yeah. So this is just saying when x goes to positive infinity, that means when the graph go to the right side. What happened? The happen is the graph gonna be go down. That's what it means. So if I want to say it in word, it's gonna be like this. When x go to positive infinity, the graph going down. That's what it means.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay.
When x go to negative infinity, that's mean on the left side,
Yeah.
the graph going down as well.
For like left to right.
Right. Yeah, so right to left, down or up. That's what they're asking. Make sense?
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Any other question? Basically, we're done answering this. Yeah? Question, Gary?
Can you graph like the thing from the answer? Or no?
Say it.
Can you graph the whole thing from the answer? Or can you have some-
That's what we're gonna learn. That we're gonna learn later. We're gonna learn the middle part. Because we need to find the solution for here. The solution is the x-intercept, remember? Then we're gonna figure out the point right here. Well, anyway, how many turns is this? How many turns are there? 5.
2, 4,
No.
4?
2,
2?
I don't know. What? What?
How many turns of this graph based on this?
4,
4?
3, 5, 8.
5.
8?
What?
Hold on. 9?
6.
I thought five.
Give me some hope. Two, six. You guys so creative. Four.
Five. It's five.
Look at this. How many turns? And then what is the degree? Go back here. Now the degree is this. How many turns?
Three.
Three.
I said three.
I know, but it's gonna have auto answer. That's why. It's not five, it's not six, it's not four, it's three. Right?
That's just gonna have.
3 turns. It's gonna be 3 turns. It's gonna be like this. So 1 turn, 2 turn, and then 3 turn. It's gonna be look like this. But it's not exactly like this, right? Because we need to do more. But they're gonna be look like this shape. Okay. Make sense? Again, you don't need to know about the middle part yet. We're gonna learn the middle part on the 7C, 7D. Just know the 2 ends, okay? I don't know where you got 8 and 9 from. Okay. Yeah.
Is it gonna be a short lesson?
You will have like 35 minutes. 35 minutes. Okay. Sometimes you can be lazy, like me. Sometimes I'm lazy. I don't need to draw this. Okay. Based on these two, I can also give the answer right away without drawing this. I just draw this for you to know what's happening on the answer. But if you think about this, you don't actually need to draw this every time. Like how you can get the 2 answer from these 2 information without drawing it. That thing. Raise your hand, okay? Raise your hand, and then you can get some point. Again, my question is, how can I get this answer by just this information without need to draw this? I don't need to draw this. Okay. All right, better ready? So how can I answer this? Based on what? Depending on what information?
On the negative, on the degree and the.
Oh, this first one.
Yeah.
This first one. Based on the which one? LC or degree? LC. And this one is based on the degree. The both, yeah, but basically on degree. That's why I put it in this order. This gives you the information. Look at this. Watch this. 1 point of variety first. Watch this. This is negative. Negative. Tell me this is negative infinity. Okay. This is even. What does it mean? Same direction, and you just need to copy down. That's it. Because it's the same. Right? Same direction, just need to copy this down. You see? You don't even need to draw this. Okay. Because even is same direction. Right? If this is odd, different direction, what do you need to do? You need to flip it, right? This is negative positive, and you need to flip to positive infinity. Does it make sense? So you don't even need to draw it. Let's do this one for this one. Let's do that method for this data sample without drawing it. Okay. Who can help me with this? What is the first thing you need to do?
On the
All right, Omar, let's go. Always write this. You're gonna have you where to go. Okay. LC and degree. What is the LC?
Positive.
Positive. What are you looking at?
The invisible one.
The x5, right? That's the leading term. Okay. So this is positive. Okay. Actually, we can write it in one shot. So the first, this is fixed. You always write like this every time. So x goes to infinity, positive infinity. X goes to positive infinity, and x goes to negative infinity.
And then that was X positive infinity.
Okay, this is what you need to write every time. It's fixed. It doesn't change. Okay. Now this is positive. So what do you feel in here?
As a positive.
Positive infinity.
Wait, this is G. That's a G.
This one doesn't change.
But it says G.
Oh, that's the G. Very good. Very good. Good point. Good point. This is G. Yeah, that's it. Let me 1 point. Yeah. Which part? I forgot. Who answered this? Irma? Yeah, Irma. So degree is,
But.
we don't need to know number. We just need to know, yeah.
No,
Odd, yeah, right? Right, even? Right, degree is odd. So what does odd means?
It's gonna be the opposite of.
Opposite way. So what, do you copy the same or you need to flip it?
No, you need to flip it.
You need to flip it. So this is positive infinity,
And that's negative.
become negative infinity. That's it. You done, you're answering. See? 1 point for Irma. Does it make sense? You don't even need to draw it. See, 2 lines of answering. Question is very. Which one? Which one? Which one? No, ask me. Which one? This? 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 My
Oh,
name?
wait, no, I get it.
What day is it?
Oh, yeah, what day?
Okay. 2 more days to the end of the month. Okay. Any questions so far? All right. So like automatically the setup is like this, right? You just need to write this every time. What do I write here? What do I write? H of x. That's one you notice this 8 of x. You need to write h of x. Okay. Okay, who wants to answer this question? Melanie, go ahead. So LC is positive, right? So this first information can help you to write here. This is positive infinity, okay? Because that's the right end. Eventually you go up. Degree is even. What are you looking at? Right here. This is not always the first term, okay? So don't be tricked like this. Sometimes they can put on the middle, sometimes they can put on the last. Just looking for the highest power. So this is going to be even. That what does that mean? Melanie, so even. What are you up here? So same. So just copy this down. Okay, same. That's it. 1 point for Melanie. Yeah, Irma.
So you don't write them in standard form? Like,
Huh? You don't need to write it. They don't ask you, so you don't need to write. But you need to looking for the highest power. Okay, like this. Sometimes they can put like random positions. Yeah, question. It's still 7. Yeah, you only need to looking at the highest power. You don't care about the order. Very good, very good. Good job. Any other question? Okay. Did I give Melanie 1 point already? Yeah. Yeah. Question? Yeah. It's just 7. Leading this is the leading term, and the leading coefficient is a 7. Yeah. Any other question? You all have very good question. All right.
That's it? Wait, that's it?
Oh, you have 4 part.
Like that's how you do it.
Yeah, that's all you need to answer.
Oh,
That's all you need to answer.
I asked like in the first time.
Yeah.
Is it 11 or 4?
11.
It's already like 14
All right. We want you to do number 4.
Okay, you just wrote it down.
I know it.
All right. There's a point. Lewis, and then Fernando, you want to do 5. Okay. This one you didn't have point today. Lewis, go ahead. Negative, right. So I'm gonna just write without a sign. Let's just do the same thing. So this is f of x, this is f of x. All right, so what do you feel when right here? Goes to negative. Yeah. So go to negative infinity. Yeah. And then what is the degree? Odd. Degree is 11, so that is odd. And then let's go to negative. What does odd means? Opposite. So you cannot copy the same. It's gonna be going where? You're gonna flip it. Positive infinity. Yeah, there is. Make sure you don't make that mistake. One Papa Lewis. All right, Fernando, number 5. Any question number 4?
Go faster.
I don't know what that is. I still need to find the book.
Yeah.
This
This is the answer.
So you just write the fx to next to the infinity.
No, you need to write the whole thing.
Whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing. That's the answer. So this whole thing is actually the answer. Okay, this is just for you to figure out the answer. Yeah, good. Fernando, right? Fernando, go ahead. Negative. So this go to negative infinity, right? Degree is even. What does that mean for this? Go to negative, right? Even means same direction. Just copy this one down. Negative infinity. Same direction. One more, Fernando. Yeah? Any question for this part? So now you learn about 2 ends already. So that's the wrapping. So that's the wrapping. Now we go to evaluating. Evaluating is easy. You already learned last semester. Evaluating is very straightforward. Do you see similar or familiar?
No.
It's very familiar. All right, Anna.
Oh, you probably.
You just, yeah,
Substitute
to substitute the x, right? F of 2, what does it mean?
The x is.
X is 2, that's it. Remember we're doing this from the linear equation last semester? Yeah, that's what you need to do. That all you need to do. So f of 2, that means x equal to 2. Whenever you see x, replace by 2, that's it. That's evaluating. That's we have evaluating. So every time I see x, I will replace by 2, that's it. So plug it into here, to here, to here. What is the answer? Oh, one point for Dana. 2 cube is? 8 times 2 is? 2 square is? 3 times 2 is? 16 minus 4 is? 12 plus 6? 18 minus 3? 15. There we go, that's it.
So what's the point?
Huh?
Or how does it relate to like graphing?
You will see. That's the next part. Want to number 7? Where else does it point? Jonga, let's go. Jonga, let's go.
Negative, just negative.
So try to replace everything by -1, right? So tell me what do you have here?
Negative 1. Plus 3. Minus 3. Plus 1.
Is it correct so far? Is okay, is -1 to the power of 4 is -1. Is Jonga correct?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, it is correct, right? Be careful. -1 to the power of 4 is +4, but then you have a negative on the front. Because it's negative not inside the 4, so it's still negative out there. Okay. Because last period they make a mistake, they got +1. They thought negative body change as well, but no, negative not inside the parenthesis, so it's negative still outside. And -1 to the power of 4, everything here is 1. All right, so what is this? 3 minus 3 is gone. -1 plus 1 is gone, so it's 0. All right, that's it for part 2. I know, right? So that's going to be part 3. That leads you to part 3. So I think you even finished earlier than 35 minutes.
Oh, yesterday I was doing the. And I took in the recording.
Why didn't you want to do that?
What?
Oh, it's only us.
Girl, I don't think anyone.
We were behind her, was it not?
He said that he gave us until Friday.
She wasn't there.
He used us until Friday. General.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's on, that's what it is.
I think he's done like 2 things at a time for the general.
You didn't get to. Were they? You want me to do it?
Yes.
His head is big, I can see it.
You have not done writing yet.
Can you stop?
Oh, I guess.
Come on. Recording language.
Sorry, I missed it. It's because the guy next to me is napping, like, sleeping. I don't
You're bad.
know. I didn't figure out how to like. Class here. I always form myself. I didn't know that.
All right, who can figure out the end point for me? The end behavior for me here. The part 1. What is that point?
Leading. But Mister, what was your question?
End behavior, the part 1. Okay, Sabrina, let's go. LC degree.
Oh.
So this is what you need to write with time, okay? Now LC, what is LC, Sabrina? Positive, very good. This is X4. X4 is a leading term. So is it positive on the coefficient? So it's positive. Then you want to write here is? Yeah, that is based on here. This is positive, so the first one is positive. Positive infinity. Degree is? Odd.
I mean, even.
Bar is even. Okay. When is it even? What does it mean? Is the frozen? I'm waiting.
Same direction.
Same direction. What does it mean?
You should.
Wait.
It's the same. It's the same. It's the same.
See, yeah, it's the select frozen, the text done.
Number
Take
two.
copy down, copy down. So we're gonna be positive infinity. I don't know what to do, I just positive infinity, yeah?
Like,
So they asking you to wrap. They're asking you to wrap. You already knew the two ends are gonna go up, right? So they're gonna go up like here. How did you figure the middle part? We're gonna learn how to figure the middle part on the next lesson. But for now, the one way you can do it is let's just give you, give the table of -2, So give 1 point for Sabrina. You guys want to do it? Let's because we need more space. Let me write right here.
Yeah, we need that much.
I know we need this much space. Again, this middle part we're gonna learn how to figure the middle part exactly by lesson C or D. But for now, the one way to do this is kind of tedious, but it works by using the T table. That's why the part 2 for. You need to evaluate it. Okay. From what number they give you specifically? From what to what? From -2 to 2. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. You need to figure all this out, evaluate it, okay? So I know. This is a tedious text, but this is one way I want you to know. This is one way you can do. I want you. How we gonna do this? How can we do this again? I want you to do this. You have to plug it in, right? To plug it in. Can someone tell me what to write? All right, Melanie, go ahead.
You just put the
Mhm.
Minus
the
three.
number.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, what are you at?
Square plus 3 times -2 plus 1.
Very good. One more for Melanie. That's it. And then you want to calculate what is this, okay?
And he's gonna do it.
Put H2 and then.
So do it by yourself. Calculate it. Plug it in.
That was about a season.
This is one way you can figure the middle part. So I just want you to know you can do this as well. But we will learn how to figure the middle part more professional next time. Yeah, I know. Professional. This is unprofessional.
What is that?
What is that? And yeah, I have some question. What is this? Why do I do this? Because I need to plug in what? What is the blank?
So fast.
Yeah, plug in a number on the blank. So -1 here, -1 here, -1 here, 0 here, 0. Oh, 0 is easy. 0 is all
Oh,
gone.
0.
This is 2, this is 2, this is 2.
And then plus 1.
All right, who good at calculator? Calculation.
It's find the graph.
Who want to try this?
Mister, you wanna like. hold on.
This is positive
I
1.
know.
Sure. All right, who want to do
Give it
calculation?
like a minute.
Positive 1, 3 plus.
Okay, don't have it.
Oh, wait, no, it's nice. No. I'm not.
Who?
It's Monday.
Yeah, me too, it's Monday.
Like that.
They're the same. I'm on like the first line.
Mister.
16?
Positive or negative?
Positive.
All right, positive 16, what else?
6? No, wait, no, that's negative.
See, this is not easy though. I mean, it's easy, but easy to make a mistake, yeah.
Six.
Yeah, 12.
-12, positive 12. You need to give me the sign.
Negative.
-12, right? -2 square is 4. 4 times -3 is -12.
Negative 3.
Minus 6.
Huh?
Minus, oh, I'm on the second one.
What is it next?
Minus 6
-6
equal negative 2.
and
All plus 1.
plus 1. You can do whatever first, right?
It's negative 1.
So, yeah, okay, so 16 minus 12 is
Negative
4. 4 minus 2 is -2. -2 plus 1 is -1. Good, everyone. Which one more can you do?
1.
1
Minus
minus
3.
3
Okay. Plus minus 3
minus 3
plus 1.
plus 1.
That's negative 9. That's
-9. Where do you get -9?
negative 7. No, wait. Oh my God. Negative 4.
-4.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
negative 4. Oh, so -3 and -6, and then you plus 2, 1, 1, 2. So -6 plus 2 is -4. You can rearrange them in whatever order you want. Yeah. All right, 1 point for Donovan. Who wants to do the last? Oh, this is the middle one easy. 0, 0, 0. What is the answer?
1.
1. Who wants to do the last two? It's just practice with arithmetic. Irma? Okay, you're gonna do next one, okay? Irma.
Wait,
1,
1 and then 3, -3,
-3,
and then 3
plus or negative?
plus,
Plus 3.
and then plus 1.
Okay. Again, you can do whatever order because it's only plus and minus. So -3 and 3. You can do that first. That's 0. And 1 plus 2, 1 plus is
Zero.
Zero?
No,
it's a literally said the answer. 2, right? All right, this 2, 4 is 2 to the power 4 is
Oh, wait, I can't see.
Oh, wait,
8,
16.
16. That's gonna happen on test. Yes. You're gonna confuse later on with a test. Minus or plus?
Minus,
Minus. Did you go with a sign?
and then 6
Plus, plus 6 plus 1.
Does that have-
gonna be
Huh?
4.
16 minus 12 is 4. Positive 11.
Yeah.
All right, so we have next. So 5 points, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 points total. -2, -1. What else?
-1,
-1, -4,
-0, 1,
0, 1,
1, 2,
1, 2,
2, 11.
2, 11. Oh, 1 point for Irma. Yeah. Okay. Now we can wrap them.
Mr. Abbott,
Yeah, question.
does it have to be 5 points?
Well, usually it's 5 because it's based on the degree as well.
So like it has to be more than the
Right.
Yeah,
It's need to be more degree, otherwise you don't have enough information.
is that everything?
Sure, let's hit down at 1 point. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this.
That.
-2, -1, and just estimate it, okay? -2, -1. Let me make a big one.
Oh, no,
Hey, where they have, I mean. Yes, 10 minutes.
So what are we doing now?
All right, -2, -1,
Oh, we're graphing.
-4, -1, -4, -1, -4,
Damn.
0, 1.
0, 1, 1, 2. I assume that you know how to plot them, okay? 2, 11, so that, just estimate, this is 11 right here. Okay, now, the last step, how do you wrap them?
Connect the dots.
Just connect them, just connect them.
So we.
How do you connect them then? Where do we go?
From left to right.
From left to right, okay, from left to right.
Start from up and then.
The left is
Positive.
positive, so it should go up, right? So that's, you need to go with this.
Down.
The right also go up. So eventually it needs to be go up as well. So, and now you just need to connect the middle point. Okay, so this needs to be go up. And then just need to connect this two. You see how many turns is this? 1, 2, and 3.
What?
That's
Oh,
why
yeah,
it's degree
just a
4.
curve then.
Because they need to have 3 turns. Well, if you connect this continue, they're not gonna turn like this. If you continue this train, they're not gonna hit this point. That's why you know there's a turn right here. Yeah. Yeah? No? The connecting point?
No, wait.
Like how do we know there's a turn?
Yeah, 'cause
That.
The point?
Yeah.
Or like from the calculation, or where do we get this point? Oh, yeah, this is when we look at in -2 on the x. What do we get? We get -1. So x is -2, y is -1. That's the first point. X is -1, y is -4. That's the second point.
Wait, where? Oh.
When x is 0, you plug it in, you get y equal to 1. So that's my third point. So this point for you to wrap it.
So like every time the x is always gonna be those, right there?
No, they gave you, the question they gave you specifically from -2 to 2.
Oh, so
Yeah.
like, it's not always gonna be negative.
Yeah, no, it's not always be like this. It
Okay.
depends on what number they give
So
you.
like, it's gonna be like 3 to -3.
Yeah, if they ask you that, then you need to go -3, -2,
Okay.
wave 1, 1 to 3, yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Any question? That's the part 3.
This is their part bonus thing.
Yeah, the part 4 is the last one.
I'm not even done writing that whole question.
Okay, just write it.
How do you know the curve again?
Yeah, so here, let me connect this one again.
Just like do it with another color.
Because I run out color. When we go blue, you're gonna match with this. So let's do it green. Okay. I'm going over again how we connect, how we wrap them with the turn. How do we know? Okay. First, we know the 2n gonna go up. I'm gonna do the 2n first. That's just from experience. Okay. 2n, the left need to go up and the right also need to go up. So this need to be go up like this. Yeah. So now we need to figure out the middle part. Okay. This needs to part this point and then part this point. So for sure, it needs to make a turn, right? So one turn right there. One turn right there. Now next, if you keep going with this train, it's going to be go up like this. But you know the point is outside of a little bit. So you know also another turn right here as well. You see, if you continue here, it's going to be go up like this. It's not going to pass this point. So that's why you know it's a little bit turn right here to pass this point. As long as pass the point, okay? And actually, if you look at the degree is 4, so how many turns are there? Should be 3. 3. 3. One down of degree. One down. One turn. 2 turn. 3 turn. This is actually 2 turn right here. Yeah. One turn here, one turn here. If you zoom this out, it's going to be 1 turn and 2 turn. So 1, 2, 3. 3 turn. Yeah, if you zoom out.
Yeah, wow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, if you zoom out.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Yeah. Wait,
Degree 4.
so it's only gonna be like one less
Huh?
from the degree?
Yeah, that's what we always talk about.
Okay.
So how many turn? Plus 1, that's the degree.
Plus 1?
Plus 1, that's the degree. But we go back from here. The degree, that's mean the
Okay.
degree minus 1 in the turn.
Yeah.
So that's what you choose.
Huh?
That's what you choose.
Yeah, that's just for you to check it. Yeah, you don't need to answer me. Or how many turn, you don't need to answer that. It's just for you to check it. Yeah? Any other question? Great.
When you're like doing the chart, does it always have to start from -2? Like,
Oh, they will let you know. Yeah, they will let you know. Other questions? Yeah, so that the last part is just I give you the picture, you're gonna figure out the FC in degree. Easy. Can I erase this? Are we done?
Are we done?
Actually, are you done with this? So last part, let me, oh, no, I need to record it. Okay, anyway, let me write.
I know it's not that. Yeah. We have to have.
I go around the.
I think
So confidently. No. I don't like.
This is very easy. The answer is right there. So. You don't need to do anything. Can I erase this? Are you done with the table? So you're gonna have like 45 minutes left. Oh yeah, I have last period, only 30 minutes, they finish it. Okay, so let me do this. All right, you can't just answer A, B, C in one shot. All right. We're looking, is anyone out? Okay. Do we need to write LC in degree?
No.
No, it's right there, right? The first one is the right or left?
Right.
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 The bottom one is left. You don't need to write LC or degree, but because they're gonna ask you, so you need to write it anyway. But when you look at the picture, they're already there. The right angle, where? Negative infinity. The left angle, positive infinity. Okay. Well, but the part C, B, and C, it's still asking you, so you need to answer this anyway. Is that even or odd? Well, how do you know it's odd? Opposite direction. Is that LC is positive or negative? How do you know negative? Right, you can eventually going down, right? So 1 point for Melanie, 1 point for Kayla. Very good. So this is odd degree. Or you can write like we would normally do. So LC and degree. So LC is negative and the degree is odd. Okay. So do the other two by yourself. Raise your hand when you're done. That's it. Okay. Any question for this part? Just fill it in here. So this is very similar to the part one. But part one, I give you the polynomial. This part, I give you the picture. So it's easier. Just the picture is there. Okay. What number is the sample? What is the last one? 9. So this is one to 10. So 10, 11, and 12, and that's it.
No.
It was not that.
This is 9.
Yeah.
So 9, 10, and 11. So raise your hand when you're done, and I'm coming check if it's correct. I'm gonna give you homework. That's the like asset ticket. So I answer A, B, C in here. So this is A, B, and C. In not in order, but that's okay. You know what's going on. Okay. So that's it. Raise your hand when you're done.